There are a number of benefits of drinking water. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to your cells. It flushes out bacteria and inflammatory debris from your bladder. Water aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Sipping hot water slowly cleans the stomach, relieves you from heartburn and cramps in abdomen. But hot water is not recommended for those who are suffering from stomach ulcers. Water can delay onset of high blood pressure. It may normalize high blood pressure. Drinking water from copper vessel kept overnight is helpful in bringing down the blood pressure. Besides regulating the body temperature, it protects the organs and tissues. Hot water has curative properties. Hot water bath is good for arthritis. 15 to 20 minutes of warm water bath may prove to be very good for sleeplessness. It relaxes the blood vessels of the skin and the blood circulation is increased. It is said that one should not drink water only when one feels thirsty, but should drink water at regular intervals, even if you are not feeling thirsty. Research says that thirst damages your body. Water is vital for life. It makes up more than 50% in female adults to more than 60% in male adults' body weight. Physiologically, water is the main constituent of cells, tissues, and organs. One obtains most of the mineral needs from food, but the minerals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphate present in water acts as a supplement. Besides all these beneficial properties of water, it improves brain function such as concentration and memory. Dehydration may be the causes for the formation of uric acid kidney stones. Increased water consumption may help in diluting the concentration of the minerals responsible for the formation of stones. Adequate intake of water helps in weight loss and may improve immunity. It helps in preventing and treating headaches. It improves productivity, improves muscle growth, and protect joints as well. Men should drink at least 3.7 liters of water and women should go for 2.7 liters of water daily. Drinking water has miracle effects on your skin as well. Skin is the largest organ in human body which protects you in number of ways. It prevents water loss. Drinking sufficient amount of water is the most natural way to get glowing and healthy skin, as anybody would like to have. By drinking ample amount of water regularly, you can do away with your sagging skin problem. Wash your face thoroughly with water to maintain the correct pH balance. Maintaining correct pH, that is 7, is essential to have healthy skin. Drinking ample amount of water flushes out bad toxins, which is essential for maintaining good health of the skin. Water reduces wrinkles. The only thing you have to do is to keep yourself hydrated. You can do away with the problems of pimples, acne, and scars with drinking right amount of water regularly. Elasticity of the skin is also maintained. Problems of dark circles under your eyes can occur if you do not keep yourself hydrated. To maintain elasticity, you will have to see that you are thoroughly hydrated. This plumps up your cells and your physical performance also improves. If water wouldn't have been in body, you couldn't have sweat, urinated, or have bowel movements. It helps to excrete waste through perspiration, urination, defecation. If you find our video up to the mark, please subscribe. Thank you for joining.